Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw a Song. Today we're drawing something fun from a song. In this video, it's all about music and creativity. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and singing, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Sun is bright, sky is blue. Peppa shouts, Evie, I've got you. Grab the basket, don't delay. It's a drawing, coloring, picnic day. Peppa grabs her notebook neat. Evie giggles, tapping feet. Let's draw our picnic on the way. A map of fun for our big day. They color trees and tiny bees, pink soft clouds and dancing leaves. Peppa skips along the track. Evie rides upon her back. Peppa and Evie go draw, draw, draw. Draw, draw, draw. Draw, draw, draw. Peppa and Evie go draw, draw, draw. All day long. And the colors in the sky go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. All the happy colors go swish, swish, swish on their picnic day. Peppa draws a sandwich tall. Evie colors it, oops, too small. They laugh so hard they almost fall, rolling gently down the hill. Evie squishes berries bright. Peppa shouts, that's paint, alright. They color freckles on their nose, berry art from head to toes. Who can draw a super sun? We can draw, this is fun. Who can color rainbow trees? We color fast, easy breeze. Who can draw their family? We draw big so all can see. Who can color love today? We color bright in every way. At the meadow, soft and sweet, Peppa spreads the picnic sheet. Evie claps and points around. This is where our fun is found. They draw the flowers by their toes. They color petals as the breeze blows. Peppa smiles, just you and me, sisters hanging happily. Peppa and Evie go color, color, color. Color, color, color. Color, color, color. Peppa and Evie go color, color, color all day long. And the love that they draw goes round and round. Round and round. Round and round. Sister love that they draw goes round and round. Forever and today. Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep loving your family. Happy picnic day.
Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew a song moment and had fun mixing art and music. If you love music and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you soon, friends! Bye!